Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to set up a custom email domain in Squarespace. Having a professional email address that matches your domain name helps build trust and strengthens your brand. Let's start by opening our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. Next, we log into our Squarespace account. After logging in, we click the menu profile logo and then click the account dashboard. After that, we will be directed to the dashboard. Now let's go to our website and click this one. Once in the dashboard, we go to Settings. You will find Settings in the lower part of the page on the left side. Click the gear button for Settings. Now let's go to Domain and Email. Click this domain and we will either get a new domain or use a domain we already own. Since we are setting up a new one, let's get a domain. Here, we will be redirected to the domain page. Click this, then let's create our own domain. Next, let's click to choose the email we are going to use. It's in the Mail section. Let's see if the option we want is available. Let's enter the main email address we want. Here, we choose whether it is email.com, .net, .org, .live, or .storage. It depends on the domain we want to use. If we agree with the choice and the price, just add to cart and check out this one. Then confirm the payment. Fill out all the forms, from registration to address to payment, and review everything. Once we agree with all the details, just save, continue, and pay. With our custom email ready, we can communicate more professionally with clients and customers.